Can you put this up and
I'm holding the baby. After I've held the baby, you... Yeah.
I leave this here for
The full back. Yeah. No luck. No luck. No speed.
A bit more bass.
Yeah, man.
place. Hey! Wake the town and tell the people musical is I play each and every day. Say no matter what the crowd wanna say. Hey! Reggae music, keep you rocking and swing. Crowd of people make we do a little thing, cause I know say we come here something. The music is something you miss each and every day. The rap and reggae music is each and every day. I don't know what the people them I really want to say. The reggae music is every day. Music to this place and I wanna feel no way. Lord of mercy, why I, hey, say Jacqueline, she love to sing Jacqueline, hey, she love to sing Jacqueline, hey, she love to sing Jacqueline, hey. Angelina said me down the riverside, you will hear them sing the rubber dub song. People love it so, and catch and know, we mash up the show. Jacqueline, she sit up on the, hey, hey! Music on this place, I don't wanna be no way. Rubber dub style, I want to win every day. Hey. Ain't no matter what I want in the world. Hey. Love and happiness is what we share. Hey, Jacqueline. Hey. How you doing? We just gonna run right into it, right? Are you ready for it? If you're ready, let me hear say, yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, man, because this is party in Bear Island, you know. And the sun is out. Yes. Yeah, man. We just gonna give you some reggae music, right? Real raw reggae music. Some lovers rock, God of mercy, white eye. Sitting by the open fireplace, is my favorite daiquiri. Make new calls of a melody, and it sounds so sweet. But as I get up and take a look around, she's stumbled to the floor. I was here, I was right at the door, I could see her face, but how could it be? She ran away from me, my girl is gone, I'm so all alone, I really miss you, baby, I really miss you. Yeah. Sipping on some cola, cherry pop, and it tastes good to me. Yeah. Watching the scene on the television, I could only believe, but how could it be? Yeah. When she walked away from me, my girl is gone. I'm so all alone, I really miss you. staring at your photographs, wondering where you are right now. Oh boy, yeah. And I've been standing by the telephone, hoping that you call on to say, thought you were baby. When I gave you some roses, some romance, little candlelight and slow dance, but that's not all, girl. Maybe we can try again. Try. Maybe we can try again. Whoa, whoa. Just give me just one more night. Give me just one more night. Give me just one more night, so I could live forever. One more night. Give me just one more night. Give me just one more night, so I could live forever. Live forever. I wanna live. I wanna live, even if you're not here with me, baby. Oh, I will try to get on and live. Yeah. I've been staring at your photographs, wondering where you are today. So that Lord of mercy, yeah. And I've been searching the whole world over, never find what you're looking for me to be, what you want, what you need, baby. Hey, you told me you needed, you wanted more time, more space, more freedom, free. Ooh, you wanna be free. Oh, but I gave you some roses, some romance, little candlelight, and a slow dance. But that's not all, girl. Maybe we can try again. Try. Maybe we can try again. Going back up front. Hello. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, man. Let me hear say Ray. Yes, man. Yeah. Sun is shining enough. Yes. And reggae music is the heartbeat of the people. I can see the children dancing. Shoot me to the papa, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. You better get ready. Come on, you rock steady, yeah. You got to do this new dance. Oh, you ready? You got to do it just like your Uncle Freddy. If you don't know how to do it, you shake your head, rock your body line, shake your shoulders, everything is fine, and sing. Oh, 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 oh. You better get ready and come and do rock steady, yeah. You got to do this new dance. Hope you're ready. You got to do it just like Uncle Nancy. If you don't know, hey, you just shake your head, wrap your body line, shake your shoulders, everything is fine, and see. Whoa, 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 whoa. his heart. Everybody knows, yes they know, breaking up his heart to do. So girl, don't you know you never leave me too. Whoa, hey. When you turn and you say goodbye, you make me wanna cry. When you look at me and you say goodbye, you make me wanna cry. Listen to me, what I say to you. Break it up, girl, it's hard. Everybody knows, yes they know, breaking up is hard to do. Girl, you know I'll never, never, never leave you. Oh, breaking up is hard, baby. Whoa, whoa. Take it away, Afro-Taco, what? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I want just to say hi, Rick. If you are feeling lovely, let me hear say, all right. This is the Beer Island, you know. Yeah, man. It's the Beer Island in the sun. Yeah, man. Where we drink nice beverage, you know. Yeah. Is there any white rum is there? You have no white rum? Huh? All right. Run it.
I'll be really excited when you get there.
Yeah. Boy, the coachy on the left hand side. Pass the coachy on the left hand. It a go burn. It a go burn. Pass the coachy on the left hand side. Pass the coachy on the left hand. It a go burn. It a go down. Jano. It was enough pretty after you. I could feel it causing us to untouch you. So I left my days and went on for a while. And as I signed the gentleman's camp, I heard them say, pass the coach on the left hand side. Pass the coach on the left hand side. It a go fun. It a go fun. Pass the coach on the left hand side. Pass the coach on the left hand side. It a go fun. It a go done. So I stopped to find out what was going on. You know the spirit of child, it leads me on. It was a ring of dread, a session of steering swing. And as I signed the dread last camp, I heard them say, pass the coach on the left hand side. Pass the put it on the left hand. It a go fun, it a go done. Pass the Gucci on the left hand side. Pass the Gucci on the left hand. It a go fun, it a go done. You hear me? I keep some of my keys. The only thing for me is my mother and telephone chalice in the morning. Chalice I've been fun. Chalice I've been fun. You know I'm in front of station, the ganja pipe a bun. From the chalice make it bubble and I run. Bubble and get vexed and come clean up in gun. Take a one try, never take it before. Ask which part, this how we come from. The good sense in me that come from innocent man. Don't I say that from Mali come from. And don't I say that where this beer come from. And don't I say that Marcus Garvey come from. I saw me know assembly and the real musician. Me set up on the rhythm, I'm in the old pigeon. And in the world they got me with banana and yam. I saw my them, I say you bring it to the England. And everybody come and I stretch out them and it have been born. It have been born. It's hard to be away from the one you love when the days slowly drifting by. But my darling, heart is home in your arms where I belong. So I'm sending you this poem from my heart. Dream of me when you're around me. Dream of me when you say oh darling,
To be fair, it depends how
I
quickly
want to love you.
Yeah.
You're the nicest girl I ever had. As though they're many miles away, but you always in my naked arms. But my darling, I'll be home in your arms where I belong. So I'm sending you this poem from my heart. Dream of me when you're lonely. Dream of me when you're sad. Oh darling, I want to love you. You're the nicest girl I ever had. To you, this one dedicated to you. Silly do. And this one dedicated to you. Whoa, yo, yo. Let me hear say, why-yoy! 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 Yeah, man. Irene. That's what reggae music do, you know. Reggae music, it hits you the heart, you know. It tranquilizes the body and it sterilize up. Hold on. It tranquilizes the body and sterilize the brain. That's what it does. Hey! Curly locks, no, that kind of dreadlocks. Your daddy says to the plane, we are cry, man. What's wrong? I ain't that bad. I'm sorry, fella. All you do with is something big and it's going. Jesus, baby. Hey. Curly locks. You know that I'm a dreadlocks. Your daddy say you shouldn't play with me, but it's alright. Curly locks. You know that I'm a dreadlocks. Your daddy say you shouldn't play with me. Sun is shining, breeze is blowing too. All I've got inside of me, lots of love for you and true. Yeah. Curly locks, two roads before you, girl. Which one will be your choice? I wanna know now. Curly locks, two roads before you, yeah. Which one will be your choice? Sun is shining, breeze is blowing too. All I've got inside me, lots of love for you, it's true. Yeah, hey. Curly locks, your daddy own a pork shop. He don't want to deal with me, but it's all